My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the site Sadus.live. Sadus.live. This is a junk site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers too. Sadus.live shows pretty scary messages that try to force users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you ever see these pop-ups by Sadus.live, please be very careful. Don't trust these deceptive and totally fake alerts. Don't interact with them. We recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could still remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.